What if I told you that some of the richest YouTube creators never show their faces, or even pick up a camera? Kids are glued to screens, watching colorful animations that rack up billions of views, while faceless channels quietly cash in on this obsession. For example, this channel is attracting viewers with simple kid story videos, generating millions of views each month and made over $10,000 from ads in the last 30 days. The best part? You don't need expensive gear or a big budget to jump into this niche. All it takes is a laptop, the right AI tools, and a spark of imagination. Today, we're diving into how you can build your own money-making kids videos with AI, step by step. Here's a quick look at the video we're going to build together.
In a galaxy far, far away.
The cosmic catnip has escaped containment.
When space goes silly, there's only one team to call. Join Captain Whiskers and the Astropause crew as they tackle the galaxy's goofiest challenges.
Stick around, because by the end, you'll be ready to create your own videos like this. Let's start. Step 1 is all about brainstorming, and I'm bringing ChatGPT along for the ride. It's excellent for sparking ideas. I type in, create 10 kid-friendly animated story ideas for YouTube, and it hands me a big list of creative concepts that could light up my imagination. I take a look through them. I'm liking where this is going, but I want to explore a bit more, so I ask again. Create 10 kid-friendly animated story ideas for YouTube for kids interested in out-of-this-world stories like space animals. ChatGPT doesn't miss a beat. It comes back with a fresh batch of ideas. I am selecting this one to go forward. It's got that perfect blend of cute and exciting that kids can't resist. Now I ask for a video prompt to use it in the next step. I am asking like this since giving too much information can confuse AI when creating videos from scratch. Okay, that's it. With this prompt, we're ready for creating a fun video for kids. Let's keep moving forward. Before we get into the creation part, let's take a moment to talk about the tool that's going to make this happen. Invideo AI. I came across this tool not too long ago, and it's honestly amazing. Here's how it works. You type out your idea, and it builds a complete video for you. No need for a camera or any complicated gear, just your words turning into something people will love watching. The visuals it creates are bright, colorful, and packed with energy, exactly what grabs people today. And it's not just about the looks. Invideo AI comes with a ton of features to play with. A huge stock library full of clips and images, AI-generated scenes that feel totally unique, and a music collection to match any vibe you're going for. You don't need to be a pro to use it either. A few simple prompts and you're steering the ship. Step 3 is where things start coming together. Let's create this video. I've got my prompt ready from earlier. First, head over to Invideo AI. If you haven't signed up yet, you can use the link below. It's super easy to get started. Once you're in, there's a spot to paste your prompt, so I drop it right in. Before we kick things off, I set the duration. 1 minute feels right for the demo. You can make it longer for your creations. Then I hit start and we're rolling. Invideo gives me a few options to customize it. They ask if I want stock media or generative. I go with generative because it's all about creating something fresh and original. Next up is the visual style, and I pick animation since that's the vibe we're aiming for. Then it's the audience, families of course, and the platform, which is YouTube for this one. With those choices set, Invideo gets to work. Since we're using generative media, it takes a couple of minutes to finish up. Okay. It is ready. Let's see the first draft.
Meowshion control, we have a problem.
Beep boop, what seems to be the issue? Captain Whiskers, beep boop.
Time to put our best paw forward.
Very nice. It's already got that spark. We're on the right track, but let's make it even better next. Step 4 is where we fine-tune everything. Let's polish this video. Invideo's editing setup is really easy to use, and it gives me 3 ways to tweak things: prompt, script, or media. I start with the prompt option because it's so simple. I type, add fun and yellow captions. In just a moment, those captions show up on screen. Perfect for the energy I want. Then I switch over to script mode. In the edit section, I click script, and the whole storyline is right there for me to play with. I can change any word here, and the audio updates right away to match. No extra effort needed. Next, I head to the Media tab, where I can dig into every scene. I can change any scene I want, and I can do it with generating new media with prompt again. It's also smooth and puts the user in charge. Let's check out the final video.
In a galaxy far, far away. Join Captain Whiskers and the Astropause crew as they tackle the galaxy's goofiest challenges.
That's amazing! The visuals are bursting with color and the story flows perfectly, and it's all done with a single prompt. Kids are hungry for fresh, original videos, so there's no better time to jump into the kids' niche. And with this video, you've got everything you need to join. If you are feeling ready, go to the link in the description and start creating.